Sick. Cody finally drank the Kool-Aid and got himself a Land Cruiser and wanted to go on a quick shakedown run. So he had a spot planned over here in New Mexico, make our way into Arizona, and it really turned out to be some of the prettiest backcountry I've ever seen. In case you're new, this is my 80. I bought it about 3 to 4 years ago. It was wrecked. I put a new motor in it, redid some of the body panels, painted part of it, and it's been my adventure vehicle since. I love it. It's fantastic. It is slow, and we'll be making a change that'll fix that here in a little while. Cody had asked me if I wanted to go check out this fire watchtower. I've never seen one before, so we started heading that way. And on the way up, there was a small issue that didn't take much time to fix.
I see it there. Through there, yeah, down. That's kind of our plan, is go down, go as far down, and they don't. There's no season for it. I've never seen anybody in those showers.
What a spot. Fire pit's already set up. Super sweet corral. So we're getting yeah, we're getting hit by a storm pretty bad, so we got to get out of here. Yeah, we just gotta outrun the storm, get to this road, and then we'll be able to hit the road. So fun. So we're just making our way out of this canyon. It's just raining a little bit, so we're pretty much good. And I'm sorry I didn't do much narrating in this video. I was just busy. There's just been so much to look at. I don't know how this guy films and narrates when you're trying to look at all this stuff. I mean, this place is just phenomenal. I've never seen a place in Arizona like this. This is top 2 for sure. The White Mountains have always been my favorite, but I never seen them like this. Thank you everybody for all the support you give me. I really appreciate it. I really do. And yeah.
Like, I don't know, 25 miles from 20 miles from Alpine right now. So we're pretty far south.
There's snow on the ground in the dead of summer. How crazy is that?
I can't believe there's snow down right now. That's freaking wild. This is ridiculous.